Hello to all, welcome to TECHNO ZARRIN channel. Today we're getting our hands on the future with the all-new Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra 5G. This powerhouse is packed with features designed to revolutionize the way you experience your mobile world. Let's dive into what makes the S24 Ultra so epic. Unbelievably smooth display. Experience hyper-realistic visuals on the massive 6.8-inch 120Hz LTPO AMOLED display. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or scrolling, everything feels incredibly smooth and responsive. Capture stunning moments. Become a mobile photography master with the revolutionary quad camera system. The monstrous 200MP main sensor captures breathtaking detail, while the additional lenses offer incredible versatility for close-ups, ultra-wide shots, and even epic 100x space zoom. Next-level performance. The cutting-edge Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor paired with 12 GB of RAM delivers blazing fast speed and effortless multitasking. No app is too demanding, no game too intense for the S24 Ultra. All-day power and beyond. The massive 5000 mAh battery keeps you going strong all day, with support for 45W fast charging and 15W wireless charging to get you back up and running in a flash. Built for anything. The S24 Ultra boasts an IP68 water and dust resistance rating, so you can conquer any adventure with peace of mind. This is more than just a phone. It's a statement. The Galaxy S24 Ultra is available in 256 GB and 512 GB storage options, giving you plenty of space for all your photos, videos, and apps. Don't settle for anything less than epic. Buy your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra 5G today and experience the future of mobile. Hit that like button and subscribe for more epic tech reviews. Let us know what features you're most excited about in the comments below.